And speaking of alternatives, it is my pleasure to introduce to you the fourth vehicle in the all-new Alfa Romeo portfolio, competing in one of the largest and fastest-growing premium vehicle segments on the planet. Ladies and gentlemen, the world debut of the all-new 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio.
Seen it, done it, been there, drove that, stuffy, stodgy, boring, snoring, ho-hum, humdrum, dum-dum, num-num. This is the state of our cars? Oh damn, so glam, yes ma'am, grand slam, oh my, so fly, later boring, bye-bye, cherry red, purebred, dopamine to the head, to the head, to the head. OMG, an SUV from Italy, 500 HP, princess, red dress, hell yes, hashtag blessed, pure power, rush hour, damn, I need a cold shower. Cracking codes, ditching roads, heart screams, mind explodes, wide-eyed, thrill ride, no Jekyll, all hard, there we go, stole the show, say my name, Stelvio.
Hey, there is no mistaking the rich Alfa Romeo DNA in the Stelvio's seductive Italian design. With its distinct proportions, aggressive stance, and bold styling, this SUV is 100% Alfa Romeo and is named after one of the greatest driving roads in the world, the Stelvio Pass in the Italian Alps, which features 48 hairpin turns. The Stelvio is an SUV uniquely engineered to challenge two-door sports cars on the track without sacrificing any of the characteristics you would expect from an SUV. The no-compromise Stelvio, like the Giulia, sets a new benchmark for the segment. It all begins at our plant in Cassino, Italy, with the all-new Alfa Romeo Giorgio architecture. Carbon fiber, magnesium, and aluminum are used extensively to reduce weight, and we have leveraged our partnership with Ferrari to secure class-leading power. This combination delivers an unbeatable power-to-weight ratio. We refine that with a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, and as a result, it is an unmatched driving experience. This SUV will be available in 3 trim levels: Stelvio, Stelvio TI, and the iconic 4-leaf version, the Quadrifoglio. The Stelvio and the Stelvio TI are powered by a class-leading all-aluminum 2-liter direct injection turbo engine, delivering 280 horsepower and 306 pound-feet of torque, strapped to an 8-speed automatic transmission with an estimated 0 to 60 time of just 5.4 seconds. On the inside, you will find performance leather seating, a Formula One inspired flat bottom steering wheel with integrated push button start, and premium materials throughout. In addition, a 7-inch thin film transistor display and an 8.8-inch infotainment system with 3D navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You will also have the ability to customize the performance characteristics of the vehicle with a 3-mode Alpha DNA selector. You can choose between dynamic, natural, or advanced efficiency modes. And all Stelvio models include the innovative Alpha Q4 all-wheel drive system, which provides for additional driving confidence and control. Then we have this one, the Quadrifoglio. Under that sleek hood is a Ferrari-derived 505 horsepower, 2.9-liter all-aluminum biturbo direct injection V6, mated to an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive with torque vectoring, calibrated to deliver a strong rear-wheel drive bias. The ride and performance can be dialed in using our DNA Pro 2.0, which incorporates an adaptive air suspension and exclusive race mode settings for shifts in 100 milliseconds. Add in the available carbon ceramic brakes, and it is easy to see why the Stelvio Quadrifoglio is the ultimate SUV, as comfortable in LA traffic as it is on a German racetrack. Now, if that's too much to remember, try this. It delivers an estimated 0 to 60 time of just 3.9 seconds, with a top speed of 177 miles per hour. To put this performance into context, the Stelvio puts out 65 more horsepower than the most powerful Porsche Macan, and nobody else delivers 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. And while I am only showing you the Cloverleaf model today, I can assure you that every single trim level of the all-new Stelvio will have peerless performance. But we just didn't leverage the Ferrari engineers for straight-line performance. We also wanted to create an SUV that performed like a two-seater sports car on the track. Put another way, it needed to perform like an Alfa Romeo. And based upon our simulations at the Nürburgring, the Stelvio Quadrifoglio will become the fastest SUV ever. A testament to the incredible chassis, driving dynamics, and overall performance of this new world-class machine. So while an SUV from Alfa Romeo may seem to go against our 105-year racing and performance heritage, one look at the Stelvio, one listen to the engine, 1 minute behind the wheel, and 1 corner will make it clear. The all-new Stelvio sets an entirely new benchmark for the SUV segment. Ladies and gentlemen, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, please hold a moment.